Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a little like must-have Black Friday roundup featuring Halara. You'll know if you're not new here that I talk about Halara all the time because I'm pretty much obsessed. It's my favorite athleisure, walking, workout, just go-to brand, and they come out with so much cute stuff. Pants, trousers, literally everything. So I wanted to kind of do like a roundup, my must-haves, my favorites, because they do the most iconic Black Friday sales of all time. So I kind of wanted to share with you what are pieces that are like my ride or die, I love, so that y'all can take advantage of the amazing sales that they have going on right now. So I will have all the details in the description box down below, as well as any codes or anything like that. It'll all be down below. I'm gonna share them with you guys, talk about sizing, and then I'll have my exact sizing down below, as well as try them on and show you how they fit and why I love them so much. So let's dive in. Let's first start with this amazing little Sherpa vest. I now own this in two colors. I own the black and now this like white. That's the only colors they have. If they came out with more, I would buy more. It's such a nice little vest. I love the super high neckline. I love that it's like lined inside. It's like enough without being too much. And it's like really good for putting sweatshirts underneath, or in my case, because it's still warm-ish, a t-shirt, but it's got long enough armholes where you can like layer underneath, if that makes sense. I love these. I think they wash and wear very, very well, and I just think they're so cute. I love the detail in terms of like the curved hem at the bottom. They have pockets. They do fully zip up. I do size up to a medium because I like that oversized look and to be able to layer under them, but they are perfection. Next up, I think the thing that people think the most of when they think of Halara is activewear. But when I think of Halara, I just think of comfort, stretch, comfortability, and just like, I don't know, just that's what I kind of think of. So I wanted to share with you my favorite leggings that they do. They do so many different styles of leggings, but these are my go-to favorites. These have this like tummy control panel. I'm not sure the exact name, but again, it will be linked in the description box down below. But this tummy panel, it's like a control situation. They have slight pockets on the side. I love their peacoat, like navy color. They do everything in it. That's the other great thing about Halara. Once you find a style, you can get it in every single color known to mankind, which is the best. And in my opinion, their colors, like their consistency and quality is like throughout all the colors. Like, you know how some brands you'll like try something and it'll be a different fit depending on the color? I have not experienced that with Halara, which I love. So these leggings are just everything. Like I said, they have this panel like that's kind of like double lined, but it's so sturdy and it doesn't fold over when you're working out. So I love these for yoga and whatnot. So cute. Love the full length, and they're so incredibly stretchy, but they're also really flattering. Now I will say with these, I can do a small, but I prefer a medium because I like my leggings to be compressive, but not like where anything's hanging out the side if they're slightly too tight on the tummy, you know what I mean? So I tend to go a medium with these. I own both, but I prefer a medium size in these. So if you're kind of in between sizes, size up. I cannot say enough good things about those leggings. Next up are the pants I'm currently wearing, but I refuse to take off. These are their joggers, which honestly, I think are some of the first things that I ever tried from them. I own them in so many different colors. They're my favorite for walking because they're like a legging, but a little bit looser, like a sweatpant, not a sweatpant. You can change up the fit depending on the size that you get. I typically get a small. A medium will be way looser in the legs, but they're kind of like, I don't know, they're just so cute. And I remember when I first saw this style of legging, it was on Sarah's Day. If you guys watch YouTube or have been YouTubers for a while, she's like an Australian vlogger, and she used to wear these sort of pants with the drawstring waist all the time. And I was like, those are so cute. These are a bit more like, not like leggings, a little bit more like an actual jogger than a legging, but I still love them. They have pockets. They're just perfection. They have so many colors, but I had to pick up this like purpley, deep purple sort of color. I've been really into that for this season, and I'm typically not. I'm normally a very neutral browns, navies, blacks kind of girl. You'll see gray, but these are everything. So if you've not tried their like joggers, they're perfect for walking. They are perfect for working out if you prefer. I typically like a more fitted legging like the first one, but these are more of like athleisure for me. Walking to get coffee, walking just in general, and I walk every day. These are some of my favorites. Let's move along. Okay, honorable mention also are their dresses. I know it's winter and we're not really, well, fall, winter, we're not really talking about it, but if you can snatch up some of your favorite styles, highly recommend it. They're easy peasy dress with the like butt flap thing in the back that makes it easy to go to the bathroom. My favorite. I own them in probably 30 colors and I gift them to my mother-in-law because I love them so much. They're so good. Can't say enough good things about that. And then their little like golf tennis dress. This is my other absolute favorite just style that I own in so many different colors. So now would be a good time to stock up if, you know, you like wearing them in the summer, because I live in them during the summer to go on walks, school pickup, drop off, all that stuff. All right, let's move into pants, which is a recent thing that I feel like Halara has been nailing, is their like pants, trousers, stuff like that. So the first pair are corduroys. These corduroys specifically, I think I own in 3 colors, and the navy ones are probably my most worn besides the green ones, but either way, I just feel like you can't go wrong. They're so cute. They're slightly ankled, so you can roll them if you want, or you can leave them at ankle, but they look great with socks, like a big chunky sock and clogs, but they're so comfortable. Now these have that stretchy elastic band. I tend to size up to a medium in these just because I like the flowiness of the leg a little bit more. It's more of a looser fit. Personally, I like that. So they have the elastic band in the back, and then the front is actually like a zipper and a button. I wear these a ton during the fall. They're just perfection. And Halara does corduroy so well, but they're also insanely stretchy. So love these with a big chunky sweater, with a denim shirt, with a button up, anything. So cute. Adorable. Okay, next are these style of trousers. These are probably one of my favorite like sleek trousers that they make. It's a solid panel up at the front and the back as well, so there's no like dramatic bungee on it. There is no belt loops, but sometimes for like trousers like this, it's nice if you're not going to wear a belt to have just a flat panel because it looks seamless and classic. These are like a ribbed material, but they don't look like, you know how some ribbed materials can look less professional than just like a sleek pattern? This, like from the eye, just, I don't know, it's amazing. Also, these do not like wrinkle very much, which is amazing. So you can just fold them up and pull them out, and you don't have to worry about having to de-wrinkle them every single time you wear them. They're just a really nice, easy, practical pant. If you are in the office, I cannot say enough good things about these. I go true to size with a small of these. I'm kind of in between sizes, but a small is perfectly fine. This looks cute with like a sweater, or like I said, a button up, but these are great for office wear, or even if you're just like a fancier dresser. Adorable. Next up, again, a different corduroy option. This is more of the pant trouser type version of the corduroys, which is a full length. Again, I love corduroy, and I feel like it's kind of, they're either like, you can find brands that do corduroy, but I loved these because they were like a wide leg trouser, full length, pockets, like a belt, like an elastic band. Now this elastic band isn't my favorite elastic band. You can see it kind of has like just the elastic unfinished, so I typically tend to wear something like a button up so you can't see it, but I do love the sleekness of the pants. It doesn't have pleats like the other one, so I feel like they're different enough that you get both. Next up are their skirts. Okay, I want to say 3 of their skirts. This is like a dark kind of gray corduroy. Again, I get these in a medium. These are awesome because they have the shorts underneath that are stretchy and good. Now with these, I just find that I like the medium because I like to not have it too tight on this tummy area, and I also like the little bit of length that I get. But these are so cute, whether you pair them with boots and a little sweater or a button up, anything. So cute. Just really nice because I know a lot of girls wear shorts underneath their dresses and skirts anyway, so this is just skipping a step, and it's warm and cozy, and I love it. And then last but not least, probably not my favorite trouser. Yes, probably my favorite style of trouser that they do are these like waffle knit ones. Specifically, this dark chocolatey brown is everything. Again, just incredibly stretchy, lightweight and flowy. Has the front panel that's just basic and straight across belt loops. It has a fake like button zipper situation, it's not real. And it does have bungee in the back, but once you pull it, it looks like regular, and I love that it has belt loops. Has the fun pleating in the front, which is really dressy and super cute, as you can see with this dark color, and pockets. All of them have pockets, but I just love the wide leg, flowy, breezy. Again, doesn't get wrinkled super easy like a lot of my trousers do. Like I can wear these, sit in them, and then get up, and I'm not looking like crazy wrinkled, like I look like I just pulled my pants out of the hamper. You know what I mean? So these are definitely a pickup, whether you're just like a casual dresser like myself, similar in style, or you're somebody who goes in the office every day, I think you would totally benefit from these. And they're so comfortable. They literally feel like sweatpants, but they look like trousers. So yeah, that is it. Those are like my roundup, my must-haves that I really think you should check out during Halara's Black Friday sale. Like I said, they have so many different styles, so many different colors, so many different options, but these are kind of my best of. And I feel like I said, Halara's Black Friday sale is the perfect time to like stock up on different colors, try different colors, or maybe try a style that you haven't tried before. But you guys tell me all the freaking time that you love their trousers just as much as I do. I found this video helpful, and again, like I said, I will have all the links and the sizing and all of that in the description box down below. So again, big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video, and you're gonna wanna check out their Black Friday sale. I'm telling you what. So I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.